Now news berekete bidis on top the beat. Fire don't catch the kitchen of Big Brother Cameroon, aka Biggie 237. The fire catch the gas cooker where one of the housemates they use the cook. As she come run, come go call other housemates them before they come, the fire don't call. They don't carry our Ubonge musician will be Aziz Fashola, aka Naira Marley, take go Abuja mobile court, come find a 200k because him break interstate COVID-19 travel ban when he go doing concert for inside Jabi Lake Mall for Abuja 213. The Bulova wey carry money from Enugu State to Abakaliki, the Ebonyi State capital, last week wey 4 armed robbers attacked them on Thursday. The 2 drivers that wey escape death don't come out come here. The yarn say the armed robbers they 5-4 acre lock back them where they score the Bulova as they come they fire bullets anyhow but they not gree stop until when they reach Abakaliki where they see another acre lock back checkpoint. Edo State Eco Loba Command don't catch 7 thugs there. We go break enter inside Edo State House of Assembly complex on Thursday. Come pursue the majority of the elected member wey impeach the former speaker. Come replace am with the Right Honorable Victor Edoro. And the Yano say na Governor Godwin Obaseki say na him send the thugs them. After wey some Nigerians don dey provoke the Parayan give federal government as they pamper Boko Haram members the way the yarn say they don't change. But the defense headquarter talk person will be Major General John Enenche don yarn on Thursday, August 6, 2020. Say the Boko Haram members the way they release na people wey Boko Haram force they join them and army eye dey on top of them. BH boys that will be Boko Haram Islamic terrorist group will start to the cause begin for inside Nigeria as they attack government, Christian, fellow Muslim, and their leader na Muhammadu Yusuf, where they call their spiritual leader, and he start them the year 2000. On Thursday, August 6, 2020, some Omila boys wey carry weapon don enter Michael Okpara Square when Nigerian Medical Association they do the election as they wunjure plenty people come scatter all the chairs and table wey dey there. The US president wey be Donald Trump on Thursday, August 6, don ban the social media app wey be TikTok and WeChat to stop to dey work for inside US in 45 days if the Chinese owners they don sell and give American companies. The former US First Lady wey be Michelle Obama don yarn say she dey suffer from low-grade depression because of the present US administration, the way they handle this COVID-19 matter, and black people just dey die anyhow. Say that thing dey kill her spirit. The Kwara State Governor wife wey be Olufolake Abdulrazak don yarn say she go help the poor blue-eye mama wey be Rasika Aziz and im children there wey the husband wey be Abdul Wasiu Omodada run leave them say because they get blue eye. One Senegalese man wey be Mr. Jibril Dor, im wife, im pikin, im sister and im niece they don come for inside one house wey fire burn for Green Valley Ranch for Denver, Colorado on Wednesday, August 15th, and 3 other people they manage escape from window. President Muhammadu Buhari on Friday, August 6th don openly support Pastor Sageze Iyamo for the Edo State governorship election for inside Aso Villa, Abuja. The wife of President Muhammadu Buhari wey be Aisha they don fly and take go Dubai, Arab Emirates for treatment because she complain say neck dey pain her for about 2 weeks now. The National Emergency Management Agency wey be NEMA don yarn say make Nigeria dey prepare because flood go dey between August go reach October this year. Some Omila court gang they don dey plan to attack for inside Ogun State, and Eko Loba don yarn say this attack na part of the Ubonge crime wey the Omila group they do to mark their 8/8. Now the video of the day be this, where one papa they try had the own pikin after weather bomb blew for inside Beirut, Lebanon. This na news berekete and na me MC Nehi na in the yarn so make una enjoy una weekend.